So today we're gonna do an update on the Audi A7. Stay tuned. Well, as you guys can see, we got the keys. You can see the A7 now. It's functional. Man, the sun, sorry. It functions. Look at this baby, it's so clean. The interior, I like the coffee interior, really nice. And then the wood trimming, so beautiful. Woo. So we finally got the key for it. The what you call the smart advanced key actually has. The A7s have the advanced key, which you have to order from Germany. They don't have them here. It has like on the back of it, it has like glossy finish on it. So it's the really expensive key from Audi. So we got the key for it. It started without any issues, so thank God. That's a big lift off our shoulders, because I mean the last thing we needed is, you know, when you start the car, when you get the key and then you have a bunch of lights like a Christmas tree. So we didn't have any of that. That's the limiter, 4,000 RPM when you're standing. And then as for the outside, we got it painted as well. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around. So that's how it looks. This is the side that was damaged. This quarter panel, the rear door was a little bit damaged. That door was really badly damaged, and then this fender as well. So we finally got it painted. So as you guys can see how straight that is. We had the body shop, we took it to the body shop, the paint shop. We told them to touch it up if we needed anything, but yeah, it came out really nice. You can even see that it was, you know, bondoed a little bit to straighten it out. We did our best to kind of straighten it out without putting the bondo, and then the small touches that we needed to put bondo, we put bondo on it. So that's how it looks right there. I'm not too happy with the painter. We're probably gonna have it redone. This, he hasn't worked on it. He just did a blend in, and look, like you can see there's like sand spots on it, on the hood itself. And then over here, if you guys can see, the clear coat hangs. Like that guy did such a lazy job on the front, on the hood itself. We're gonna take it back to him and have a redo. Like he did a pretty good job on the doors and the quarter panel, but the hood, man, he messed up. And then as you guys remember, this wheel was bent out, so we replaced the shock, and then the control arms as well had the alignment done. So that's all good. Let me show you right there. So it's all straight now, as you guys can see from the back. It's all perfect. So we got that replaced as well. So looking from the front end, I mean, there's some touches like here. There's a scrape on the bumper, on the front bumper. So the front bumper probably needs to be repainted too as well. We kind of wanted to get the major stuff, like the fender that we replaced, the door, and the quarter panel painted, so, you know, to match the car. But the bumper, we're gonna do it a little bit later. We just wanted to get the car done and get it fixed so we can drive it. But yeah, the car, that's how it looks now. It looks beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys how the inside looks, because I showed it to you guys when the car was wrecked and the weather wasn't so nice. But yeah, that's how it looks right there. Inside, interior, really beautiful. I like it. The brown, it's unique, it's different. I mean, it may be not to everyone's taste, but I definitely like it. It's nice. And then on the back, you can control your blower motor and all that separately. So yeah, looks clean. And this is my favorite part about the car right there. Watch, just watch. Yeah, buddy, like it changes the whole look of the car, from the back, from the sides. Look at it, like the whole look of the car changes. I love the car with the spoiler up. I'm not really a fan of it with, you know, with that down, but because it looks kind of like a fish to me. But with the spoiler up, it definitely looks beautiful. Really nice. And one more thing, actually, we got brand new tires for all four to match, because if you guys remember before, the front tires and the rear tires were different, so we got the new ones to match all around because it's all-wheel drive. So that's all set as well. Alrighty, so that's the update on this Audi. I'm gonna do a video also on, you know, on the repairs, what the car cost us with everything all said and done. After it's 100% done, we'll make a video on that. But for now, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you next time.